Local news for Tuesday the 25th of July. The Romahanga Waitua Committee, a group charged with developing a plan for improving water quality, is considering options for managing contaminants in the Wairarapa catchment. As part of ongoing consultations, the committee released a survey seeking feedback about the way contaminants from both urban and rural land might best be managed. Romahanga Waitua Committee Chair Peter Gare says it's important everyone has their say because their feedback will steer the implementation program. The survey can be found on the Greater Wellington Regional Council's consultation website. Local Government Commission Chair Sir Gardner says the fate of the final proposal released for a combined Wairarapa District Council now lies in the hands of the public. The Commission, he says, is confident that the final proposal it has released will have many advantages for the region. Whether it goes ahead or not is up to the Wairarapa, which can call for a poll. A simple majority will determine the outcome. And in sport and capital football, Wairarapa United have gone down 4-2 to Team Taranaki on Sunday. Despite the loss, they still remain second of the table, 7 points behind Western Suburbs.